Xiaomi announced the Redmi Pad 2 Pro series and Pad Mini at the event alongside the Xiaomi 50T and T Pro. The Pad Pro series consists of three models: the Pad 2 Pro Wi-Fi, Pad 2 Pro 5G, Pad 2 Pro Matte Glass Edition. All of them have 12.1-inch LCD screen with refresh rate 120Hz, 600 nits of peak brightness and 2.5K resolution with Dolby Vision, DC dimming, and comes with TUV Rain Shield Low Blue Light certification. The matte glass version comes with AG nano texture screen that claims to reduce glare by 97%. They equipped with Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 SoC with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage with built-in and external XT card support for up to 2 terabytes. The Pad 2 Pro and Pad 2 Pro Matte Glass Edition features 8 megapixel rear camera, while Pad 2 Pro 5G has 13 megapixel. All tablets come with 8 megapixel front-facing camera. It packs 12,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging support, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, quad speakers, Dolby Atmos support, runs HyperOS 2 out of the box with Google Gemini and Circle to Search feature. They unveiled the Pad Mini concept, uh, which is an 8-inch tablet that has 3K resolution, 165Hz refresh rate, offers Dolby Vision support, 700 nits of peak brightness, full DC dimming, with MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 plus SoC coupled with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. It has 13 megapixel rear camera and front camera's 8 megapixel. It has 7500 mAh battery, support 67-watt fast wire charging and 18-watt reverse wired charging. It has dual USB-C ports, dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, high-res audio, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and it weighs 326 grams. The Redmi Pad 2 Pro Wi-Fi starts at €300 for 6 128 GB version. It is also available in 8 256 GB version at €350. The tablet is sold in graphite gray, lavender, purple, and silver colors. The matte glass edition is available in 8 256 priced at €380. The Pad 2 Pro 5G starts at €379 for the 6 128. The tablet is available in graphite, gray, and silver colors. The Xiaomi Pad Mini has a starting price of $430. It is available in 8 256 12 512 GB versions in purple and gray color options.